Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off dark mode on iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off dark mode on iOS 26, all you simply need to do is swipe down the control center, locate dark mode, then click on it. This is going to turn off dark mode. To turn it on, swipe down the control center and then click on dark mode. Alternatively, to turn off or turn on dark mode on your iOS 26, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on display and brightness. Then scroll down until you see dark mode under appearance. Then check it. This will enable dark mode on your iPhone. To turn it off, uncheck it. To turn it off, choose light mode. And then that is it. You can also set the dark mode to automatic. Once you choose automatic, click on options. Then schedule the dark mode, either to sunrise to sunset or set a custom schedule. And that's it. So, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.